Hello. Today, I'm going to talk to you about outlines. You have probably heard of outlines before. They're a valuable tool for just about any type of writing, but they're especially great for persuasive essays. An outline is a structured list of the ideas you want to write about. It shows the order of your ideas, and it shows how your main ideas and specific details are organized. A good outline can help you remember what to write, so you don't accidentally leave out important sections. It's like an architect's blueprint. It shows exactly how you're going to build your essay. There are many different kinds of outlines. They can be short or detailed, and they can be numbered lists or bullet points. However, most outlines do follow a few basic rules. First, you start by listing your main ideas and arguments, and then you fill in more and more details and evidence. You should organize your outline based on related ideas. When you organize all of your information into distinct sections, you'll find that your paper has a much better structure. By taking a few quick minutes to do an outline, you can figure out the most effective way to say what you want to say. A formal outline uses letters and numbers, and sometimes Roman numerals, to carefully structure your ideas. For example, you might begin by writing your topic at the top, followed by your thesis, which you will state in your introduction paragraph. Next, you will add sections for each argument that you'll discuss. Leave room to add in your details and evidence. Make a list of the evidence you have for each argument. Make sure the sections of your outline are clear by using indentation. Lastly, make sure to add a section for your conclusion. This kind of outline makes the structure of your essay very clear. Each letter represents a paragraph, and each number represents 1 to 3 sentences. Here's an example of a real outline about having a summer job. Look at each section of the outline. The position, also called the thesis, has several supporting arguments, and each argument has specific evidence supporting it. There are even cases where more specific information is provided under the evidence. The more information you add to your outline, the easier it will be to write the essay. You might want to take a minute to pause the lesson and read over this outline. You can press play to continue whenever you are ready. Not every outline has to be formal. Sometimes, if you have limited time, an informal outline can be just as effective. The same general rules apply, but the outline can be a little messier, and use keywords instead of longer phrases or sentences. So, you still make a note of your thesis, and leave room for main ideas. And then fill in details, statistics, or other important reminders for ideas that you want to talk about. And don't forget to leave room for your summary conclusion. Do you remember my example outline about summer jobs? For this example, I changed the format. Instead of a formal outline, it's just a bullet point list. It's a lot messier to read, but the ideas and organization are still there. That's the most important part of any outline. Organization. Let's review. The purpose of outlines is to organize your thoughts and ideas before you start writing, and help you to avoid leaving out anything important. They also show how ideas relate to one another. You can easily see where you might need to add more arguments or evidence to your essay. Also, sometimes you'll find that information you thought fit into one section actually doesn't. Outlines can help you choose the best order and flow of ideas. Well, that's all for now. Feel free to review part of the lesson if you need to, and then close the window to go to the checkpoint.